my name is Anya, and today I really want to make a triangle cheesecake. This is one of my mom's favorite ways to have cheesecake instead of a normal, ordinary round cheesecake. She likes it in a triangle formation. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday.
Let's start off with the cheesecake filling. In a bowl, add 125 grams of butter, and 1 cup of castor sugar. And mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and mix until well combined. Add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix to combine. Add in 1 tub of cream cheese, and mix until smooth and well combined. On a piece of tinfoil, line up the tennis biscuits in 5 rows of 3. Spoon the cheesecake mixture onto the center biscuits. Add the cherries along the cheesecake mixture. Using the tinfoil, bring up the outer biscuits. Press the cherries into the cheesecake mixture. Wrap up in tinfoil and place in the freezer for an hour. Remove the cheesecake from the freezer. And cover the 2 outer biscuits in melted chocolate. I found that spooning the chocolate onto the tennis biscuits worked out the best. Wrap up in tinfoil again and place in the freezer for 1 more hour. A new way of enjoying cheesecake. Enjoy!